are watching the disaster news, and stay connected with us by subscribing to get next news. A flash flood warning was in effect for the cities of Los Angeles, Glendale and Santa Clarita. After receiving the flood warning on the phone, he opened the door and saw this situation. Several such flash floods have been reported across California. Heavy floods, heavy rains and strong winds kept residents in a state of panic till late at night. Los Angeles received heavy rainfall, and a powerful storm that swept through the region caused major flooding. Such stormy rains and snowfalls have not been seen in these regions for many years. An intersection near the Hollywood-Burbank Airport flooded afternoon amid heavy rain. Domestic planes fly overhead, but many cars are trapped in the flood below. However, there were no immediate reports of disruption to airport operations. Vanavan Street at Vineland Avenue was closed as accumulated rainwater turned into a lake. At least 4 cars and a pickup truck were stuck in the water. Each vehicle was unoccupied after all drivers and passengers were able to get out safely on their own, according to the Los Angeles Fire Department. Sun Valley's 5 Frios turn into a muddy river in severe winter storms. Flooding closed 2 northbound lanes and stranded 1 car. In Coldwater Canyon near Ventura Boulevard, water from the Santa Monica Mountains caused flooding. In Southern California, such flooding caused major road closures. 5 freeways are closed as heavy snowplows through Grapevine in northern Los Angeles County. Northbound and southbound lanes were closed. People marvel at the unfamiliar sight of the blizzard surrounding the Hollywood sign on Mount Lee. At the same time, heavy rain caused flooding in North Hollywood, inundating stranded cars. Los Angeles Weather Service meteorologist Kristen Stewart said conditions are dangerous. This is the first blizzard warning issued in Los Angeles County since 1989. Snow is falling all around Los Angeles, including the iconic Hollywood sign, as a winter storm continues to hit Southern California. San Francisco broke a 132-year low temperature record by dropping to 40 degrees. Millions of Golden State residents are under blizzard, wind and flood warnings. Many properties were covered in snow due to severe snowstorm. The National Weather Service (NWS) warned that significant snowfall is possible Saturday through Sunday, which will have major impacts on travel and infrastructure. Unusual snowfall is possible in low elevation areas. Other parts of California where rare ice cover can be seen include the Mojave Desert, Santa Clarita Valley, and the Inland Empire. Earlier in the week, the storm dumped snow north along the west coast, including the city of Portland, Oregon, which saw its snowiest day on record. High-elevation blizzard conditions include 80 mph winds, reduced visibility and treacherous whiteout conditions as bad weather intensifies in California, said Eric Bolt, Weather Service meteorologist in Oxnard. Several feet of snow fell in some parts of the state, according to Weather Service estimates. The blizzard was ferocious in the 2,000-foot elevation of the Tehachapi Mountains, closing 2 important arteries connecting Southern California to the rest of the state through the Tehachapi Mountains, crossing at about 4,000 feet, both roads. Interstate 5 and the highway were closed for 58 hours after several inches of snow fell. About 30,000 customers in Los Angeles were already without power. According to the Sierra Avalanche Center, there is a high risk of avalanches across the Sierra Nevada and in the San Francisco Bay Area. Forecasters warned that sub-freezing temperatures could create black ice on roads overnight. California officials fear a similar impact on California residents. Road conditions in Portland are so bad that nearly 3 inches are covered in bulletproof snow. One person died when the ambulance arrived late due to the poor condition of the road. Portland Fire Department spokesman Rick Graves confirmed the incident. In the Bay Area, Mount Hamilton has already received more than a foot of snow. About 8 inches of snow fell in Calistoga, a town in the Napa Valley. About 50 miles southeast of Los Angeles has had unusual temperatures for 30 years. Heavy snowfall on the Pacific coast could be one of the most difficult conditions that have already surprised others, including forecasters. Severe winter storms are not ending soon, meteorologists said. If you like the video, then comments and stay connected with us by liking, sharing and subscribing to get the latest news.